Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The personality of Godhead, although fixed in his abode, is more swift than the mind and can overcome all others running. The powerful demigods cannot approach him, although in one place he has control over those who supply the air, rain. He surpasses all in excellence. This is also confirmed in Brahma Samhita. Golokeva nivasati akhilatma bhuta. Krishna, although he is always in Golok Vrindavan, he has nothing to do. He simply enjoys with the company of his associates, the gopis and the cowherd's boy, his mother, his father. Free, completely free. And those who are associates, they are still more free. Because when the associates are in danger, Krishna has got some anxiety how to save them. But the associates, they have no anxiety. Oh, there is Krishna. Just see. The associates, they have no anxiety. Anything happening, he will read in the Krishna book. So many dangers. The boys, along with Krishna, they used to go every day with their calves and cows and play in the forest on the bank of the Jamuna. And Kansa will send some demon to destroy them. So, you have seen, you'll see also pictures. So they will enjoy simply, because they are so much confident. That is spiritual life. Avasya rakhive Krishna vishasapala. This strong faith that any dangerous condition, Krishna will save. This is surrender. There are 6 phases of surrender. The first thing is that we should accept which is favorable for devotional service. We shall reject anything which is unfavorable to devotional service. And the next is that to introduce oneself with the associates of the Lord. Just like Krishna has got so many associates, you can, that will of course not artificially, when you are advanced, you will understand what is your relationship with Krishna. Then, if you introduce yourself with that association, then the next stage is the confidence that Krishna will give me protection. Actually, he is giving protection to everyone. That is a fact. But in Maya, we think that we are protecting ourselves, we are feeding ourselves. No, that's not fair.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama